It's all about nuts here at Kingdom Keto with Carrie. Today we're taking these fresh raw almonds. I picked these up at the Amazon Fresh store for about $5 for 16 ounces. We've got olive oil, we've got some Smokehouse liquid. Once we create this recipe base, then we're going to upswing it to a second flavor profile so you have some choices during the week on your keto journey. Stick here, it's going to be awesome. We're all about nuts here today on Kingdom Keto. We got a short video you're gonna love. We've got some nuts, about 2.5 cups. We've taken a bowl here and we have placed exactly 2.5 teaspoons of salt. We have placed 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke. I used mesquite, but you can use a couple of the bold flavors that they have in liquid smoke, whichever one you want. I've also added 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I've added 2.5 teaspoons of boiling water. The purpose for that, as I whisked it real quickly around, is for the boiling water to reduce down those salt grains so that it soaks into your nuts instead of it, being like a powder on the outside. So now I have whisked this together. We are literally going to just pour this over our nuts that we have here. I have exactly 2.5 cups of nuts for this recipe. You can always double this recipe if you want to make it 4.5 or 5 cups of raw almonds is what we're doing today. I'm just going to pour all this on here and I'm going to toss. I just want to get all this oil real quickly off here. All right, now let's just toss our raw almonds around. I've also, you can see right here, I've got a pan ready. I have gone ahead and just oiled down the surface of the pan. I didn't really have to because this has the olive oil in it, but I wanted to just make sure that the pan, wasn't going to have anything stick to it once it started to get a little more crunchy. Now you can see on the inside there of how drenched these nuts are. What we're going to do is we're going to let these nuts sit for about 2.5 minutes, and then we're going to go ahead and get them on our pan ready to go, and we're going to come right back. Is take these nuts and we're going to taste test. It only takes a second. You're going to take one that's been soaking in your flavors with the liquid mesquite. Delicious. To me, this is a solid base, but now you can decide if you want to add some other flavors or not. One of the things I'm considering is this cedar plank seasoning that you've heard me talk about before that I like. So you could just simply dip some in to see if you like it. That would be good too. That adds more like of a barbecue flavor to it, where this is just simply a smokehouse flavor. Now, another idea is to go a little more savory with some garlic powder and some rosemary, and you can blend that in. This is still, after sitting for 2.5 minutes, super drenched with all of the flavors that we've added. I'm going to split this tray up. I do like the base of this. That's one of the reasons I wanted to share it with you. So you want to get everything out because those seasonings are in there, and you don't want to not have the seasonings blended onto your pan. You're just going to turn that out onto your roasting pan, and then you're going to spread them out. You could also use parchment paper if you'd rather. This pan has an edge on it, so I'm okay with it. And then, like we said, I'm going to take, this is about 1 tablespoon, but I'm going to turn it out to at least half of the nuts. Okay. And then I'm just going to toss this side in this flavor. Now I can see the difference in the two because this one has a little bit more of that crumbly seasoning on it, and I can see it. It's larger in size than this left side, but I'm going to keep it left-right for right now. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put these in the oven, and we're going to bake them for 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. We have both of our nuts ready to go. This one is going to be our cedar plank, the one on my right, the one on the left is a smokehouse. We're going to do a very fast taste test. It's very good. There's a deep, bold flavor of that cedar plank taste. And it almost tastes like you're just right there on the cedar plank itself, to be honest with you. This one, the Smokehouse, we're going to taste it real fast. I can taste the crunch. The more they cool, the crunchier they become. Delicious. This one, I can taste that smoke all the way through the nut. The 1 teaspoon is definitely enough for this quantity of the 2.5 cups. Remember, if you're going to go 4.5 cups, you can just double it, the recipe that I gave you earlier. Now, what I want to share with you is, a good idea is when you make some different small flavors is just keep them in an airtight container, and that way they stay so fresh during the course of the week for your family. And those of us who are on keto typically have a large supply of nuts in our home, pecans and walnuts and almonds and different type of nuts that help us on our journey, just to have as a snack or to bake or to cook in meals or even stir fry. What I would like to share with you is that our nuts have so much health. I created this video to help you become a nut expert. I'm going to attach it here and put it in the description below so that you can watch it when you have an opportunity. I promise you, you're going to learn the health nutrition about nuts. When they come off those trees, they were put there for a purpose. Those trees are there as the fruit to nourish and heal your bodies. They have everything from omega-3s, heart health, vein health, brain health. I promise you that this video is going to help you know which are the nuts that my body needs and what should I do when I'm working with nuts. Well, guys, take a look at this video. You're going to love it. And I am making later on today some, I'm cheating by telling you this, but I'm going to be making later on today some peanut butter cups with some dark chocolate for keto, and I hope you tune into that one as well. I know you're going to enjoy all these different things. I'm even thinking about putting some nuts in them. So I hope you have a wonderful week. Good to see you guys, and see you on the next video.
Please don't forget to subscribe and like. The link to the video that describes the top 5 keto nuts and their health and science benefits is attached in the description of the current video you're watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like.